Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide your chat without archiving. So for this, first of all, just open up the WhatsApp application. And now if I want to hide this chat, I will tap and hold on it. And then you can see these options, this arrow option. If you tap on it, you can see this, your chat is archived. It's in the upper corner and everybody will open your WhatsApp and they know that your chat is archived. So most of the people will know after opening the WhatsApp that you archived the chat. So now we want this chat to archive on the down, so people will not know. So for this, what you have to do is just tap on this archived and click on these three dots, tap on this archive settings, and now you will see this toggle is on. So if you want to move your archive chats to the down, so you have to toggle this off. So just tap on it. And now if we go back to WhatsApp, you can see this. Now my archive chat is on the downside. So if you have lots of chat, most people will open your WhatsApp and they will not know you have achieved the chat. So this is the solution. You can't hide the chat in WhatsApp. If you want it, you have to install the third party application. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.